Oh, so it just started raining more harder. But right now I'm in Deerfield, so I gotta go to Parkland. Trying to see if these people let me go past, but you know how Florida is. Come on, red car. Don't stop. I thought she was about to stop. I said, bruh, you can just go. Ugh. Oh, look at that traffic. Oh. I don't know why people wake up so late, bro. Like, just get up, like, early. Now you about to be late for work. Bro, I'm about to be all wet up for work. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Nobody ain't going this. I hope I don't freaking slide though. Alright, good. Yeah, so I definitely gonna have to put some WD-40. I think that's what it's called. On my tag. Holy shit. Bro, they just try to wake me up. What the fuck? I hope I get wet up, bro, but I gotta go to work. Bro, I'm already wet up. I'm gonna be honest with you. Just have to suck it out right now. My tire flat? Oh, bro. Alright, guys. My tire bust. It flat on the. I don't know what happened. I don't know how it flat, bro. And then I had pumped it back up. I seen the flat. I was like, whoa, it's flat. What happened? I think I was riding glass and I didn't see it. Oh, I need to take the whole air out, actually. Ow, that hurt. Oh dang, the tube went in there. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Okay, there we go. I thought the whole air was out, but it's not. Oh, Mondays in Florida, you gotta love it, right? Come on, come on. Get back in there. I just need you to. Okay, I need to find something, like something little to like. Let me see a rock. Go push this. I think it's flattening it. Is it? Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, it's flattening it. Cause the way I have to do it, I have to get the tube off. It's flattening it. We changed the freaking tube now. Now it's time to blow it up. Oh, let's hope this works. Then we put it back on, because I don't feel like putting it on while it's flat, because it's raining. Bro, I can't believe I got a flat though. That's the thing. Like, I can't. I'm still shocked. I'm like, whoa, what happened? And you know what? I was going through the water. It's probably had glass. But these tires ass, bro. Let me see. Oh, it's not on here. Okay. Ugh. Guys, we are back. Yo, that was like, I was like, oh my goodness, bro, I gotta change this tire right here. And then I was at the bank, so everybody was just looking at me. I was like, oh damn. But it is what it is. I'm gonna try to make it cross. Make it into the bike lane. Mingo. Next time it rain, bro, I'm just getting up at 5, bro. On everything. So I could know. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Tomorrow I might go surfing for a little bit. Cause even though the waves are like 4, I might go. Might do some vlogging with that probably. It's gonna rain too, but I don't care. I like when it rains in Florida. Bro, tell me why the bike feels more lighter after I like put that tire in. It feels way more lighter. Ooh. And we are in Coconut Creek. Trying to watch out all the splashes, bro. Cause I took some stuff off. Yeah, the bike feels more lighter after I put that wheel on. That tube on for some reason. But I'm gonna be careful with this. Definitely be careful. Oh, finally made it, y'all. Actually, I want to go see if Walmart got flat out. I heard about that stuff. Let me see that. It's not raining no more. Well, I want to get back on my side before it started raining. So I just want to go over here, see if Walmart got flat out right quick. Excuse me. What if I could like? Oh, I just put my bike right here. Ugh. Here should be able to fit. Oh, really? I just peeped that. I was like, hold on, bro. Hello. I had got some patches, some tool patches. I want to get the flat out, but I don't know where to get it from. I don't want to get off of Amazon because it's going to take a long time to come. Well, why not? I do have Amazon Prime. Sometimes it do take a long time. I gotta hurry up though. Get back on my side before it started raining. It's like it's about to start raining. Gotta make it back home. Bro, where's my chain on? I knew something wasn't right. Hold on, bro. Let me see. Bro, I knew something wasn't right. I was like, what the fuck? Why my chain like that? My wheel too close to the frame, so that's why it's like switching. I was like, Brett, know he could go.